105 incredible fastest big chainsaw cutting tree machines. In the world of forestry, massive trees need to come down efficiently. Today, we're ditching the handheld chainsaws and diving into the incredible world of big chainsaw machines. These machines are powerful, fast, and can tackle even the biggest trees. The Bandit 21XP wood chipper is a powerful tool that chops wood into smaller pieces, making it easier to transport and use. It has a strong 275 horsepower turbo diesel engine, allowing it to handle different types of hardwood efficiently. This helps you manage large amounts of wood and reduces waste. Let's make the most of our resources together. The Vermeer HG6800TX horizontal grinder is great if you want something reliable and efficient. Its smart design prevents material from getting stuck, meaning less need for the operator to intervene. With a capacity of 950 horsepower, it can quickly grind up trees, making the job smoother and safer for everyone involved. Imagine being able to clear over 1,000 square meters of brush in just 1 hour with this new bush cleaning machine. Not only does it work quickly, but it also focuses on cleaning the environment around you, making the air cleaner and the atmosphere more pleasant. With user-friendly features, better fuel efficiency, and improved safety, this machine promises superior cleaning abilities. Get ready to experience the convenience and efficiency of modern technology. In the beautiful winter scenery of Sweden, the Hypro 755 tractor and the Hypro FG45 tree cutting device have excelled, offering unmatched precision. The Hypro 755 can cut 100 trees per hour, while the Hypro FG45, with its advanced technology, has become the industry standard in forestry technology. These machines have truly shaped the industry. When excellent engineering meets advanced technology, even the toughest challenges become manageable. Check out this wood splitter in action. It not only splits wood quickly but also feeds it into the machine with incredible force. In winter, this machine is crucial for clearing dry wood and ensuring safety on all paths. Even in dense forests where large machines can't reach, this compact cutting line can still process about 600 tons of wood per day. Get ready to be impressed by its efficiency. The Nisula 555C is a powerful machine that works seamlessly with the Volvo 145 chassis and Flex 14 technology. Together, they dominate the forest by effortlessly cutting through trees at a rate of 10 logs per minute. The 555C harvester head has some cool new features that make it work better and save money. It has new hydraulics to handle big amounts of wood, a saw assembly that cuts efficiently, and a special housing for the saw with a reservoir to keep the blade lubricated. The Vimac TP5-40 is another strong machine, designed to be compact yet precise. It can cut through 40 trees per minute, standing tall in cold, dense forests. In Bulgaria, the powerful Ponce Fox 8x8 cutter operates at full capacity. Equipped with advanced technology, it handles hardwood logs quickly and easily. These giant machines make the forest seem small with their precision and efficiency. The John Deere Feller Buncher 859M is a modern machine with a powerful engine, effortlessly harvesting wood at impressive speeds in dense forests. When we see the Stihl MS 462 and Husqvarna 560 Mark II chainsaws in action, we can't help but admire the engineering and technology behind them. They bring precision and speed to tackle the toughest challenges in dense forests, showing how humans can integrate with nature smartly and sustainably. Each time they cut through a log, we not only see strength, but also a respect for the trees they've grown from. The presence of the Senebogen 718 on the forestry battlefield reminds us of the power and finesse technology offers. Its ability to handle large amounts of wood with impressive cutting heights and precision is truly remarkable. Imagine a super-fast machine called Warata H414. It can process trees really quickly, from small to really big ones. It's like a super speedy tree cutter. Check out the USA grapple saw. It's like a big claw on an excavator that can grab and cut huge trees fast. The Malva 560C is a machine that can process wood really fast and accurately. It's like a high-tech team working efficiently together. In Brazil, the Tiger Cat L870C is like a strong giant in the forest, cutting through trees with ease. And the Sampo 86 harvester is like a speedy ninja, cutting through trees quickly. The John Deere 244G is another cool machine. It's like a powerful partner for people, helping them transform forests with its strong engine. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more heavy machinery content.